Hello and welcome. This is Sunny and this is a quick video in the series of our Power BI videos. So this video is focused on how to do conditional formatting in different kinds and types of data and charts. So I wanted to do conditional formatting on a chart and I just couldn't find it on a first try. I tried to YouTube search it. I couldn't find it. So then I figured it out and thought of making a video on it. So here's a sample data, totally imaginary. There is a SunnyPoint cafe. So this chart is signifying this report slash dashboard is signifying the financial performance for 2019. So we look at to 2019 week number 1 to week number 24. So let's say we're in end of June, we've had 24 weeks, 26 maybe, but let's say we have 24 weeks and this is the revenue by the week. This is the change in revenue by the week. So this is 0% and it goes up and down. No stable increase or decrease. Just quickly going through what the data is that we're looking at so that we understand how to conditional format it. This is profit and loss by the week. So this is continuous profits going on increasing, then loss for some weeks, and then back to profit now. This is gross margin per week, so this is going up, and then in line with the profit and loss in dollars is the same trajectory we're seeing in terms of gross margin. And these are the weeks, so we have added a slicer by the week. Again, totally imaginary, and I just put this together in a very simple way just to show the point of how to do conditional formatting. So let's get started. So let's say here, the first of all, the thing that you'd like to see is, let's say in this profit or loss, we have seeing only green colors or turquoise color, the default color, which I really like it. But anyways, coming back. So this is the same color for all the bars, positive as well as negative. Of course, you would like to see either the negative ones being red and the positive ones being green, also because in this case it's pretty obvious profit and loss, so it should be profit is good and loss is bad. But in some cases there might be indices, there might be calculation fields, there might be variances, which is often a confusion between is this negative and positive, what does that mean in terms of is it favorable or unfavorable. So here we are. The problem is what we explained now. The solution is we want to conditional format it the same way we do it in Excel. No big deal, but just look at it how it's done. So we select the chart first of all. We come here and click on the formatting button. Now we would go to data colors the same way we go. Now this is where I was confused. At first I was trying and seeing it is only giving me the option of a color. It is not giving me any option for conditional formatting here. And that is why I had to find it out. So first of all, a very important thing is that I think this was introduced in the June 2019 update. Maybe that is also a reason why I'm not finding any videos online right now, because it is a recent update. So if you do not have the latest update, the first thing I would suggest is go and please download the 2019 June update. Now, again, even if you have this update, just like I have it here, the thing is, it is not pretty obvious where the conditional formatting button is. So go to this default color and go to the right side. There are 3 little tiny buttons here. Now dots, and those, click on that, and then you will see the conditional formatting. I don't know why why do they have it so hidden? They could have a button here, but anyway, so that's the thing. You go in, you do conditional formatting. Let's say in this case, I want to say that in this case, let's go with the color scale. You can format it by color scale, by rules, by field value. We'll take one example of each. So let's say in this case, we go from color scale and we go from red to green. In case you want to choose different color, you can choose different color, yellow to purple, brown to orange, whatever. But in this case, we would keep it red to green. So in the we press OK, and boom, there you go. The chart is green to red to green. The thing is, it is not, as I said, it is not all bottom below the line as in less than 0 are red. It is scaled. Now instead of that, if you wanted to do once again what we had wanted to do initially, then you go again in format, you go to the data colors, you click on, you see this FX written here. That means that it is conditionally formatted. So you press this again, you do conditional formatting, and instead of color scale, now you pick rules. Now you select the field, which in this case it's right. It is the profit and loss that we're looking at, that we want to do. And let's go with some for now. Now we have to see, now is greater than equal to. Now here one thing is, it does not offer the option of is less than. So at the first time I was like, where is less than 0? But no, so this is doing in stages. So you're starting from the bottom to the most. So the bottom default selected is minimum. So it is already starting from the bottom. So you can only say greater than minimum because it cannot be less than minimum, right? So greater than equal to minimum and less than 0, which is another word for negative, then it's red. Now add is greater than equal to 0 and is less than, let's say 999999999, and let's say green, a little brighter green. Okay, now we have what we had thought of before, that all the positive ones are green and the negative ones are red, regardless of what's the amount. It's going by the same thing. Now we can also do this for the number field. This card, which is just the number field, this can also be conditionally formatted. Let's see how. So I mean, it's not a big deal. It's exactly what you have thought in your mind right now, but let's see. So this is that, and you've selected that, and then you went to the format painter, sorry, the format brush, and then you go to select the data label. So this category label, when you select the category label, that means this thing, which says margin. So if you turn it off, turn it on, that is a category label. So if you can also, by the way, conditional format category label. But anyways, let's focus on the data label now. So this is black as of now. So you would select the same thing, conditional formatting. Let's say in this you will go with sum of the margin. Let's say you go with the rules, and if you want minimum to 0 be red, and again greater than equal to 0, and less than, again, let's say 9999999, and let's say this would be green, and okay. So right now you can say it's green, right? Now let's pick an example of red. So here is a slicer for the weeks. As we can see, the week number 20 was a week that the SunnyPoint Cafe had a loss. We will do a case study next time of what to do with that, how to turn business around. I mean, they did some things right, in which I should say, we did some things right that turned the business around. But anyway, coming back. So week number 20. So let's go with week number 20. The moment we select that, everything should, select only for week number 20, and this green should turn red. So let's see, when we select this, there we go. That's the margin. We had a loss that week, and it was negative. 21, week number 21 was also negative. Week number 24 was positive. So this red should turn back green again. There you go. It's green. So it's also a running total, just bears the mention. So if you go by week number 13, it's 13%. So okay. So there we go. That is the conditional formatting. And again, you may find pretty soon how to do that, but if not, this is a quick video to help you do that. One thing is, on the line charts, I'm not able to find the data colors on how to conditional format it. Like I would like this portion of the line to go red and this portion to go green. I don't see an option for that yet. If you select this, if you go to this, data colors, here again you see a conditional formatting option, and you can, instead of count of week, let's say I want by revenues, again the same thing. In case you want it, these are the lowest ones are red and the highest ones are green. Just makes you think that the start of the year was not so good. We got better in middle of the year, then it was not so good period, and then we got back again good. So that is it. That is all I had here, and hope you learned something new. If you wanted to learn more about investing, business related insights, or music videos recently, follow this channel, but also about Power BI, because I am gonna update and upload more videos on this, specifically things that I do not find myself when I search, so that I'm not repeating what other people are saying. So this is Sunny. Hope this was helpful, and subscribe to the channel if it was helpful to you too. Thank you. Bye.